Hello everyone, welcome to your online music class. In this video, we are going to learn one more filler of the slow Keherwa. At first, let me demonstrate it to you. 1, 2, here we go. 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1. Let's break it down now. It is a 2-beat filler that starts on the 3rd beat. We will play 3 on the high tom and then we will play and on the mid tom, 3 and after this we will play 4 on the high tom and then and on the mid tom, 3 and 4 and one more time, 3 and 4 and Let's try this with the rhythm. Ready? 1, 2, here we go. 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4. So that's all for the today's lesson. And now I want you to practice this filler on your Congo. And if you don't have the Congo, then just grab the pillow and start practicing. And most important, have fun. Thank you. Bye-bye.